In synthetic antioxidants, next we have propyl gallate. Propyl gallate is usually used in combination with other antioxidants, for example BHA or BHT, which have carry-through properties, thus providing the combined effect of improved storage stability and carry-through protection. Other important limiting characteristics of propyl gallate are low solubility in oils and significant solubility in water. The former contributes to the difficulty in incorporating the antioxidant in fats and oil, while the latter tend to enhance the complexing of propyl gallate with iron, causing discoloration in some applications. The fourth one is tert-butyl hydroquinone or TBHQ, which is the main phenolic antioxidant used in foods due to its effectiveness in increasing oxidative stability or the shelf life of food products containing high amounts of polyunsaturated oils and fats. It provides carry-through protection to all fried foods. Sometimes it is used in combination with BHA due to its carry-through effect in baked goods, propyl gallate for improved storage life of shortening, and citric acid as a metal chelating agent. Fifth one is alpha, gamma, and delta tocopherol. As we have also seen tocopherol in natural antioxidant, but here these are in synthetic oxidant, which are chemically synthesized and are used as an antioxidant and source of vitamin E in food. Typical products include synthetically vitamin enriched foods, processed meat products. Sixth one is ascorbic acid, which is industrially synthesized using a number of different techniques and is used as a flavor improving agent, a browning inhibitor in fresh produce, and an antioxidant in beers. Typical products include fruit juice and squash, tinned fruit, jams, beer, soft drinks, potato products, cereal, and wine. Sodium ascorbate and potassium ascorbate, which the salts of ascorbic acid, are used as a source of vitamin C and as antioxidant in food. The typical products include cereal, processed meat, and products, ascorbyl palmitate and ascorbyl stearate, which are the fatty acid esters of ascorbic acid. Ascorbyl palmitate is formed from the esterification of palmitic acid and ascorbic acid together, while ascorbyl stearate is formed from the esterification of stearic acid and ascorbic acid. They are used as a source of vitamin C and as an antioxidant in food and have many applications as it is soluble in fats at high temperatures. Typical products include cereal, processed meat products. Next, salts of lactic acid. Different salts of lactic acid are used as antioxidant purpose. The most important salts are discussed as sodium lactate, which is a sodium salt of lactic acid and is used as humectant and antioxidant in food. Humectant, which bind water, it is capable of increasing the antioxidant effects of other substances. It is hygroscopic, hence is used in such products where its ability to absorb moisture helps to extend shelf life. Sometimes used as a substitute for glycerol. Products in which it is used are jams, margarines, cheese, sweets, ice cream, and cakes. Then potassium lactate, which is hygroscopic, hence is used in foods where it helps to retain moisture. It is used in meat and poultry to control foodborne pathogenic bacteria and to protect and enhance meat flavor. Typical products include cake, ice cream, jam, jelly, sweets, and processed meat. Calcium and magnesium lactate. Calcium and magnesium salts of lactic acid are used as humectant and antioxidant in food. It is capable of increasing the antioxidant effects of other substances. It is also hygroscopic, hence is used in such products where its ability to absorb moisture helps to extend the shelf life. Sometimes used as a substitute for glycerol. Typical products include jams, margarines, cheese, sweets, ice cream, and cakes. Eighth one is citric acid, which is a vital component of the citric acid cycle or Krebs cycle. During this sequence of reactions, one acetate unit is converted to two equivalents of carbon dioxide, giving rise to a molecule of adenosine triphosphate, the main energy source in cells. Citric acid occurs abundantly in citrus fruits, although commercial synthesis is by fermentation of molasses. It is used in foods as an antioxidant as well as enhancing the effect of other antioxidants and also as an acidity regulator. It is present in virtually all plants. It was first isolated from lemon juice and has been used as a food additive for over 100 years. Typical products include citrus fruits, preserved fruit and vegetables, potato products, dessert mixes, soups, wine, beer, cider, bakery, and cheese products. Then sodium citrate, which is the sodium salt of citric acid and is used as an antioxidant in food as well as to improve the effects of other antioxidants. It is also used as an acidity regulator and sequestrant. Its typical uses include gelatin products, jam, sweets, ice cream, carbonated beverages, milk powder, wine, and processed cheese. And potassium citrate, which is used as an antioxidant in food as well as to enhance the effects of other antioxidants. It is also used as an acidity regulator and sequestrant. Typical products include gelatin products, jam, sweets, ice cream, carbonated beverages, milk powder, wine, and processed cheese. Salts of tartaric acid. Some promising salts of tartaric acid are also used as an antioxidant. They are sodium tartarate, which is a sodium salt of tartaric acid used mainly as an antioxidant and synergist in food as well as an acidity regulator. Typical products include sweets, jelly, jams, and carbonated beverages. Then potassium tartarate, which is potassium salt of tartaric acid, likewise sodium tartarate. It is also used as an antioxidant, synergist, and acidity regulator. Synergist, which work along with other antioxidants. Typical products include wine, citrus dessert mixes, sweets, jelly, jams, and carbonated beverages. Sodium potassium tartarate, which is a derivative of tartaric acid with sodium and potassium. It is used in food as buffer and antioxidant. There is no established adverse effect on health and used medically as a bowel evacuant. Typical products include meat and cheese products, jams, and margarine. Tenth one is salt of phosphoric acid. Likewise, lactic and tartaric acid, different salts of phosphoric acid are also exhibiting antioxidant potential, which are sodium phosphate, which is a sodium salt of phosphoric acid. It is a water soluble, hence is used in effervescent laxative tablets. Effervescent जो कि जैसे कार्बोनेटिव बेवरेजेस के अंदर एक गैस निकलती है. Sodium phosphate is added to food to act as an antioxidant, synergist, stabilizer, and a buffering agent. Typical products include processed meat and cheese products. And potassium phosphate, which is potassium salt of phosphoric acid and is used as an antioxidant, synergist, buffer, and emulsifier in food. Typical products include sauce, dessert mixes, and jelly products. Reasons for using phenolic antioxidants. Several reasons have been given for the use of phenolic antioxidants in oils and fats. Combine antioxidants to take advantage of their different types of effectiveness, permit better control and accuracy of applications, help avoiding or minimizing solubility or color problems presented by the individual antioxidant compounds. These enable complete distribution of antioxidants and chelating agents in fats and oils, provide synergistic effects offered by some antioxidants combination, and also acid synergism. Applications of antioxidants. Each year, more than 40 million tons of vegetable oils are produced worldwide. These oils and different food products prepared from them possibly constitute the largest application for antioxidants. Soybean oil extracted from soybean seeds is the world's major food oil, comprising about one-third of all vegetable oil production. The promising antioxidant TBHQ, tert-butyl hydroquinone, and propyl gallate 0.02% concentration increase the storage stability of soy oil better than BHA and BHT. The positive effects of TBHQ in increasing the stability of soybean oil and its ineffectiveness in maintaining the flavor stability substantiate the fact that phenolic antioxidants do not inhibit reversion. Palm oil extracted from palm fruit is a major import of Pakistan. The comparison of BHA, BHT, propyl gallate, and TBHQ as oxidation inhibitor in refined, bleached, and Deodorized palm oil showed TBHQ to be the most effective. The overall effectiveness decreased in the order. Um, First one is TBHQ, then propyl gallate, then BHT and BHA. Sunflower oil having about 85% unsaturated fatty acids content is more readily oxidized vegetable oils. Adding 0.02% TBHQ to refined, bleached and decolorized sunflower oil increased its oxidative stability measured by active oxygen method from 10 to 50 hours. Rendered animal fats, generally rendered meats, fats, and fairly responsive to treatment with the major phenolic antioxidants. Two main purposes of antioxidant treatment for rendered meat fat are to increase oxidative stability, shelf life of the fat, so that it should be in the best possible condition when using in the commercial food preparation or in the home. To provide carry-through protection in foods preparation with fat, the latter carry special significance in many commercial food applications such as in crackers, pastry, and in those foods which are fried in animal fats. Some studies found propyl gallate better in providing oxidative stability to the lard, which while others showed TBHQ to be somewhat more effective than BHA, BHT, and propyl gallate in increasing oxidative stability of lard. Then meat products, in addition to fat rendered from animal and poultry tissues for use in fabricating or processing foods, there are other animal and poultry products where oxidative density occurs. The phenolic antioxidant proved to be effective in controlling it. Oxidation of fatty components and pigments in raw beef during storage brings about changes in odor, color, and flavor that adversely affect the product after cooking and make it unattractive or even unacceptable for consumption. Combination of propyl gallate and BHA with ascorbyl palmitate as an synergist appears to increase the shelf life of ground beef significantly. Then in confectionery, products comprise many types of sweets, food mainly including candies desired by many people. Phenolic antioxidants are used in many candies to inhibit autooxidation. Their effectiveness is exemplified by the results of tests on chocolate covered buttercreams with a combination of 0.014% BHA, 0.004% propyl gallate, and 0.003% citric acid added in production of candy. Its storage life at 70 degrees Fahrenheit until rancidity developed was increased from 20 to 50 days by the antioxidant treatment. In addition to flavor loss or development of flavor due to oxidation of flavoring component in chewing gum, another symptom of oxidation is toughness, especially in the bubble gum, and brittleness arising from the oxidation of chewing gum during storage. Phenolic antioxidants are used to overcome the loss of flavor, toughness, and brittleness. BHA and BHT appear to be the antioxidants of choice for this purpose. TBHQ at 0.02% based on the fat content provides up to 13 months extension in shelf life to roasted peanut products. Then in cereal products, BHA and BHT appear to be the most widely used in stabilizing cereal products, especially breakfast cereals. The antioxidant treated packages as a means of adding phenolic antioxidant to dry breakfast cereals are commonly used commercially. Whether antioxidants are added directly to cereals, for example by spray application, or indirectly by means of treating packaging material, the volatility characteristic of the antioxidant compound plays an important role in its performance. Direct application of BHA and BHT seems more reliable and effective method of cereal stabilization than its use of antioxidant-treated packaging such as wax liner in cereal cartons. Then in baked products, phenolic antioxidants are commonly added to baked foods for two major purposes: to carry through processing into the baked foods, to improve its storage life as in cookies and crackers, to protect the oxidation prone components of the bakery premixes, thus extending the shelf life of premix. The carry-through effectiveness of hindered phenolic antioxidants (BHA) and BHT in pastry and crackers was better than that of propyl gallate. When lard was used as a shortening, the combination of BHA, BHT, and propyl gallate provide oxidative stability prior to baking and carried through into the baked foods, improving the storage life of the products. Then factors affecting efficiency of the antioxidants, activation energy of antioxidants, oxidation reduction potential, stability to pH and processing, and solubility. Choice of antioxidant. Different antioxidants show substantially diverse antioxidant effectiveness in fats and oils and related food system due to different molecular structures. Generally, following criteria should be considered while selecting an antioxidant: convenience of antioxidant incorporating to food, stability to pH and food processing, carry-through effect, non-absorbable antioxidant effectiveness, safety, off-color, off-odor, and availability. Ideal antioxidants is that which should not contribute an objectionable flavor, odor, or color to the fat. Carry-through effect: no significant destruction in processing, no harmful physiological effects, effective in low concentration, not absorbable by the body, readily available, fat-soluble, and economical. Toxicity of approved antioxidant. The toxicity of the major approved antioxidant BHA, BHT, propyl gallate for uses in foods have been thoroughly studied in several animal species as well as in human. Dog maintained for 1 year on diets containing as much as 100 mg BHA per kg had no adverse effects. There was no accumulation of BHA in the body tissue. LD50 for rat was 4130 mg per kg when administered in the corn oil and approximately 5000 mg per kg when fed in a water emulsion. In human, 27% to 77% of BHA was excreted in the urine, mostly within 24 hours without any dealkylation or hydroxylation. The LD50 of propyl gallate administered to rats orally was 3800 mg per kg. Heating of the gallate didn't affect the LD50. LD50 basically stands for lethal dose 50, in which the 50% of population uh, rendered to death upon inserting a particular nutrient or toxic material. Similarly, BHT could be used as a food additive at normal concentrations without any public health hazards, but later work casted doubt on the acceptability of BHT because of increased liver weights and abnormal cellular behavior. However, more extensive studies were unable to verify these findings, although they did show some absorption of BHT by the tissue of the test animals, while some toxic effects were seen at extremely high levels, but no deleterious symptoms developed at normal levels. So this was about antioxidants, synthetic antioxidants, its safety level, and its use in food, the characteristics of good antioxidant, and its adverse effects